Good morning, dear students.
Good morning, sir.
Welcome my today class, and today we will discuss about chapter number 11, transportation in animals and plants. Okay. So today class contents is a blood. Okay. We will discuss about blood. Okay. So dear students, what is a blood? Okay. Firstly, question in your mind. Okay. What is a blood? I am right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so blood. Okay, blood is a red colored fluid. Okay, blood is a red colored fluid. Okay, which flow in the blood vessels in every part of the body. That's clear. Okay, clear all of you.
Yes, sir.
So blood is a red colored fluid, okay, which flows in the blood vessels, vessels in every part of the body. That's clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and components of blood. Okay, so there are two components of blood. Okay, there are two components of blood, fluid components, and first is a fluid component and second is a solid component. Okay, in fluid components. Okay, so fluid component is a blood plasma. Okay, fluid component is a blood plasma, and solid components include blood cells. Okay, include blood cells, RBC, WBC. Okay, RBC, WBC. So students, in there are two components, fluid components. Fluid component is a blood plasma. Okay, and second is a solid component. Solid component is a RBC, WBC, and platelets, which include blood cells. That's clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so after that, student, you can see in the picture in your green board. Okay, this is blood vessels. This is blood vessel, and these blood vessels have red blood cells. Okay, and white blood cells. Okay, and this is a platelets. Okay, and these are the blood plasma. Okay, these are the blood plasma. So this picture is showing components of blood. This picture showing components of blood. That's clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Good. So student, I have dealt in all parts of blood vessels. Okay. Firstly, I will deal about blood vessels. Okay. So blood vessel is a fluid part of blood. Blood vessels is a fluid part of blood. Okay. It is yellowish in color and contains about 90% of water. Contains about 90% of water. That's clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After then, any student, plasma carries water. Okay, plasma carries water. Okay, and various material. Okay, water and various material like digested food. Okay, and waste material and hormones. Okay, from one part of the body to another part. Okay, and student, plasma also contains electrolytes, proteins, and carbohydrate. Okay, plasma also contains like electrolytes, protein, and carbohydrate. That clear about plasma, blood plasma. Okay, so student, next is a RBC. Okay, RBC means red blood cells, and other name is red blood cells is a erythrocytes. Okay, so red blood cells are red in color due to presence of a pigment. Okay, red blood cells are red in color due to presence of red pigment. So this red pigment called hemoglobin. This red pigment called hemoglobin. Okay. And next is a student WBC. Okay, white blood cells. Okay, then white blood cells are known as other name leukocytes. Leukocyte. Okay, so white blood cells are colorless and irregular shaped cells. Okay, WBC is colorless and irregular shaped cells. Okay, so the main functions of WBC fights against germs. Okay, which germs? Which germs? Fights against germs. Okay, so which germs? Okay, which germs? Okay, that enter the body. That enter the body. Okay, and protects us from disease. Protect us from disease. That's clear. That clear. Okay. After that, next is a platelets. Next is a platelets. So platelets. Other name is a thrombocytes. Thrombocyte. Okay. So platelets are colorless, round, teeny cells formed in the bone marrow. Okay. Formed in the bone marrow. That's clear.
Yes, sir.
Any student in injury, okay, so blood have floating, okay, so there are clotting, blood clotting after floating blood, okay, so the help of clotting platelets, okay, help of clotting platelets, okay, so the blood clot is formed due to the presence of platelets in blood. Okay, I hope understood all of you today class topics, okay, contents. Regarding to the class contents, any doubt, you can feel free to ask me. Okay, have a nice day, good day.